Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save bookmarks in different folders in Google Chrome browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is launched, navigate to any website you'd like to bookmark. This could be a news site you check daily, a work tool you use frequently, or any other page you want quick access to later. Once you're on the website you want to save, look at the right side of the address bar at the top of your browser. You'll notice a star icon sitting right there next to the URL. Go ahead and click on this star icon. This is Chrome's built-in bookmark feature that allows you to save pages for easy access in the future. After clicking the star icon, a small pop-up window will appear on your screen. In this window, you'll see a field where you can customize the name of your bookmark. By default, Chrome usually fills in the page title, but you can edit this to make it more recognizable or shorter if you prefer. Simply click inside the name field and type whatever label works best for you. Now, here's where you can organize your bookmark properly. Just below the name field, you'll see a section labeled Folder with a drop-down menu next to it. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal all your available bookmark folders. Chrome comes with some default folders like Bookmarks Bar and other bookmarks, but if you've created custom folders before, they'll also appear in this list. Select the folder where you want this bookmark to be stored. This is especially useful if you like to keep your bookmarks organized by category, like work, personal, shopping, or research. Once you've chosen the right folder and given your bookmark a proper name, simply click the Done button at the bottom of the pop-up window. Chrome will instantly save your bookmark to the folder you selected, making it easy to find whenever you need it. And that's it! You've successfully saved a bookmark in a specific folder in Chrome, keeping your browser organized and your favorite sites just a click away. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.